Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality 5o plus 7 is greater than or equal to 12. We will first solve this inequality algebraically, and then we will express our solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Stick around till the end to see the step-by-step solution. Let's get started. To solve the inequality, 5o plus 7 is greater than or equal to 12, we will first isolate the variable o on one side of the inequality. We start by eliminating the constant term on the left side of the inequality. The constant term here is 7. To remove 7, we will subtract 7 from both sides of the inequality. This helps maintain the balance of the inequality. It is similar to what we do in regular arithmetic, where we perform the same operation on both sides of an equation to keep it balanced. On the left side, this gives us 5o plus 7 minus 7, which simplifies to 5o. On the right side, we have 12 minus 7, which simplifies to 5. Therefore, the inequality changes to 5o is greater than or equal to 5. This completes the first step, where we have simplified the inequality by removing the constant term. In inequality notation, this is represented as 5o greater than or equal to 5. In interval notation, the solution is not yet complete to be represented. We will proceed to the next steps to find the complete solution. Next, we need to further isolate the variable 5o by getting rid of the coefficient attached to it. The coefficient here is 5. To isolate o, we will divide both sides of the inequality by 5. This step is necessary because our goal is to find the value of o in its simplest form, and dividing by 5 will achieve that. On the left side, we have 5o divided by 5, which simplifies to just o. On the right side, we have 5 divided by 5, which simplifies to 1. So, the inequality is now simplified to o is greater than or equal to 1. This represents the complete solution to the inequality in its simplest form. In inequality notation, the solution is o greater than or equal to 1. In interval notation, the solution is written as the interval from 1 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.